Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Tabby to book a flight and pay in installments. First, you need to choose a travel platform that supports Tabby. Some popular airlines that accept Tabby are FlyNaz, Fly Dubai, and Air Arabia. You can also use a travel agency such as Alternative Airlines. Next, search for your flight. Enter your departure city and your destination. Then choose your travel dates. Select the number of passengers and click the search button. After selecting your flight, continue to the booking page and fill in the passenger details as required. Now move to the payment page. Here you will see different payment options. Look for Tabby in the list of payment methods. Select Tabby as your payment option. Once you click on it, confirm the selection. After that, you will be redirected to the Tabby portal. If you already have a Tabby account, log in using your registered mobile number. If you are new to Tabby, follow the steps to sign up. After logging in, you will see your payment plan. In most cases, the total amount is divided into 4 equal payments over 3 months. Review the schedule carefully. Enter your debit or credit card details and confirm the first payment, which is usually 25% of the total price. Once your payment is approved, you will receive your e-ticket from the airline or agency. Thanks for watching.